Okay, so right now I'm gonna put together this hoop. I'm gonna place this over here. It's my stabilizer, this paper. It's a tearaway stabilizer, and this is felt, the fabric that I'm gonna use. And I'm gonna just put some pressure with my hands and get it to fit in like this. Make sure it's nice, snug, and tight. And I want it tighter. So I'm screwing in it. Make sure it's very tight. Okay. And I'll raise up the pressure foot. Slide my hoop inside. Make sure it slides in like that. Press down my pressure foot. Everything's ready, and all I have to do is press the start button.